Let's face it, for today's college student, finding a job before graduating can be like climbing a mountain, feeling like the top is nowhere in sight. The bad news is that finding a job isn't the only challenge college students are facing. Once they land the job, standing out and excelling in that job is another challenge. Did you know that 77% of employers think personality skills are just as important as hard skills? And that 46% of new hires fail within the first 18 months? And of those failures, 89% are due to their attitudes. So where can college students learn the professional development skills they need to stand out and become the next generation of leaders? The truth is, upward mobility is not guaranteed even when a student checks all of the boxes by having a good GPA, practical work experience, and stellar recommendations. At VyneCo, we provide the professional development training college students need in a 3-step approach: on-site workshops, online modules, and executive industry connections. Our on-site workshops offer customized hands-on training in the following areas: professional communications, proactivity and self-motivation, critical thinking and problem solving, team building, and more. Our online modules provide personalized career development training that tracks analytics on students' development progress. Topics include everything from personal branding to leadership advancement. Our executive industry connections provides private forums and roundtables that bring together students and industry executives for thought leadership opportunities. At VyneCo, standing out doesn't just mean being good at your job. It means becoming a leader who can critically think, problem solve, communicate effectively, and exercise emotional maturity to be more of an asset to organizations. It's about feeling confident. It's about being proactive and a team player, and exercising leadership at every level in one's career. Get your students off to an advanced start with the professional development training they need before they graduate. Employers are counting on it, and so are your students. All VyneCo services can be customized for your students' needs. Partner with VyneCo today.